Hello and welcome to another video tutorial. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to enable and disable parental controls and some safety features over on TikTok. So log into the account that you either want to turn on or off the safety features. And once you're here and you are logged in, go and tap on the profile icon in the lower right-hand corner or whatever way you like to get to your profile. And then once here, you will see three horizontal lines in the upper right-hand corner. If we tap on those, that will then bring up the creator tools and settings and privacy information. Go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. Once we're here at settings and privacy, you'll see that TikTok doesn't have innately something that is called parental controls. They have a couple of things that they've implemented that I think work very well. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go down to where you see something that says digital well-being. And you're going to see something here that says screen time management, and then you'll see something that says restricted mode. The first one here, if we tap on screen time management, right now it's turned off. But what we can do is we can turn this on, and we basically, when we do any of these features, we need to set a passcode. So basically this allows us to have the code that you're not giving to the child or teenager or whoever's using this TikTok account. That way you kind of know what the code is, and you understand that you are the only one who can change these settings. So go ahead and set a passcode, and you can do that the first time you start tweaking any of these settings. So as you see here, the daily time is 0 minutes, daily screen time, and then you can get notified if you spend your daily time limit. So right now we have it turned off, but if we go here and turn this on, we will see once we type in our code here and go to next, type in the code once more, go to set. And then once we're here, what we want to do is we've turned on our daily time. And the daily time is allotted is 60 minutes. And if you ever want to adjust that, just turn it off. And then you see here where it says daily time, you can tap on that. And you can change that to be 40, 60, 90, or 120 minutes accordingly. And then once you've reached that, it will automatically lock the app down. Now, the other one here is restricted mode. If we tap on restricted mode here, you'll see that it's turned off. But what this does is it limits videos that may be inappropriate for some people. If you find an inappropriate video in restricted mode, you can report it to help them improve the restricted mode altogether. This is basically a parental control. This is a lock mechanism to prevent your child or teenager from accessing or being able to view something that is supposed to be targeted towards adults or older folks. So what you would do here is you would just turn this on, and then you would type your passcode or create one here once again, and then just tap next, confirm with your code. And then once you've done that, you can see here now, once it's turned on, that you shouldn't be presented anything in your feed that would be inappropriate for younger eyes. I guess that's the best way of putting it. So once you've done these two things and you've kind of looked at the time management and the restricted mode, the last thing that you can do is you can go here to where it says family pairing. If we go to family pairing back under settings, you can see that you can basically set a limit on the watch time, which we've already done. You can limit who can send messages. You can manage your privacy of the user. You can choose whether your child or teen can have a private or public account. So what you would do is basically you hit continue here, and you basically say whether this is the teen's account or the parent's account. So for my case, it's the parent. So I tap parent here and then tap next. And then you'll see a QR code. So basically what you'll do is you'll go and log into your teen's account, you'll scan the QR code, and you'll link the two accounts together. Very self-explanatory, very easily to do. And basically this gives you even more control over what your teen or child can access and view within TikTok. Even allows you to control it in a sense from your parental account. Hopefully this was helpful. You can do those three things to kind of lock the account down and make it a much safer environment for younger audiences. If you have any questions, please put those in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.